Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you 18 Birdies app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're checking out the 18 Birdies app here, it has essentially evolved into a premier digital cattle and game improvement platform right on your smartphone or smartwatch, built specifically to help you navigate golf courses and lower your handicap. Now, according to their website and their official platform specification, now the core of the app revolves around its massive GPS mapping database, which covers over 45,000 golf courses worldwide. Now, when you are out on the fairways here, the app gives you a high quality satellite aerial imagery of each hole. Now, you can drag a crosshair anywhere on the screen and get instant precise yardages to the green, sand traps, and water hazards or layup zones. Now, the free tier here gives you access to digital scorecards. Now, the standard stat tracking, like putting accounts and greens in regulation, and a highly active community feed to share rounds or set up multi format side games with your buddies. Now, if you upgrade to their premium tier here, the app unlocks plays like distance that calculates active wind and elevation changes, 3D green heat map, slope maps, and an integrated AI swing analyzer that evaluates video clips of your swing to serve up tailored drills. Now, when you dive into the feedback that the app or the platform is actually getting here on platforms like, let's just say, App Store, and even like Google Play Store here, well, the app maintains an incredibly high score, around 4.8 to 4.9 star average across over 250,000 ratings. The pros are overwhelmingly focused on its on-course utility. Thousands of golfers give it a 5 star for its remarkable GPS rangefinder accuracy. Frequently noting that the distance readouts closely rivals or perfectly matches expensive standalone laser rangefinders. Now, reviewers heavily praise the Apple Watch and Wear OS smartwatch here integration, sharing that it's incredibly convenient to glance at your wrist for front, middle, back green yardages without constantly unlocking your phone. Mid to high handicap players also love the free digital scorecard here, mentioning that logging your stats right on the green makes it incredibly easy to track your personal trend over time. Now, though on the flip side here, it's not a perfect app. Obviously, every app, every platform has their own cons here. So there are a few distinct operational cons here. Now, major frustration for reviewers is what many call the user experience bloat. Now, users actually point out that the recent software redesign that crowdsourced their interface with excessive pop-up promotions for premium tier and social media feed notifications, which can feel incredibly distracting when you are trying to quickly log a score. Let's just say mid-round. For advanced lifters of the sport, the manual shot tracking mechanic is also a point friction here. So some users note that manually tapping track shot before and after every swing is a bit clunky. So they wish it had automated wrist motion shot detection like some of its competitors. Now finally, some reviews here note that the premium subscription here, which sits roughly around like $99 a year, is a bit steep if you want are the wind calculations and 3D green maps. Now, ultimately here, if you're looking for highly visual, incredibly accurate free GPS rangefinder that handles your scorecard and connects you with your golf group and vast consensus across the App Store, in this case, the 18 Birdies is or the app itself is an exceptional on-course companion that is absolutely worth downloading here. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try it for yourself. So maybe like try it for a bit and see if it actually works for you. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.